2007 after election internal primaries and ofi mukoye na and osambai penny said the mini and canon penny for case ma won frɛ back ma won je back say ba ma won je unentie na wo be fawo hwɛ de osande aye party ne bio we fimu akwa form party or movement na o benefit wan yanya hwe ase dada yen hia wo support bia
because yenya is a unity na nsem wo kan nyina na yenya retaliation. The party will never have its peace. But I think it's by now the sanka na so our family our yere our mba oh daddy say me sure so money neka but I nkofunu wo di na chi no nkofunu wo di na chi no wonim so drop pepe bebre na no wan agendas ni aduane die ni ade nyina no ebebo omo nti na nkasa no on save bedema no si me drop me obi abem no on keeping integrity because he is one of the most respected politicians ever. Yen NPP for your dono. Irrespective of how it is, penasem, your dono. But we dear, yes, no. Nalan drop it. Now, Miss a bedroom on him, we be a KK now the press conference. Person me true, me support, me dema, me nyaka kraba, either the nyaka kraba na whatever. Intino uma yana yedina chitafo no atemdie no sisi ya na yesramo but in my own opinion no I side with Salisu mini Iliasu there one ya suspend no nko na te yenko fa work at the husna doye ensan fa nembra biema no I mean morality and a political in there is not wise ba me asan ma bin to us it's not wise but the man we see been to us why
one call Mr. Frank go call
no did you walk
yeah me Mr. Frank
we are busy okay me that see me see anu me chia busuafo ni nyina so na masere maka kakra about honorable Ken there no ansana maba enwe ni so the honorable Ken side no nya meka ne say ono ni Dr. Bawumian honorable Ken o say otimi oni ohun ewi ase so pese o keep your integrity and so pese o odo anipa wo ma o ebe rise ya o say otimi only up your mistakes and then you apologize. Apology is not just a saying. Say maybe if you are never say me patch out. Your demeanor, your body language. Okonga ofasa wo ka semne nko apono etimi touch nipa koma ma wo hu say yes asama wo ka no you really mean it. But untimi meka say wakojina watimi akojina radio ni TV so aka say opa mahama chaw na ensama wakati ane nyina no chese wahu say oye fine gentleman oye angel na party na NPP party a we defend won no so ena ma opo wa no kofom no na eno echi no o party ne kra sori etia won po wose wo mpede a wo kan ye no enti wo pane chaw na oye angel meanwhile nipa wetimi akasa etia na hwe ne nim akeka nsem fon ana sensem bone afa no ho Dr. Bawumia akasa de etia na yere akade etia na kunya hote so as a vice president when timi engineer na nim ankasa we sorry when your opportunity fine opportunity you would have a way of doing that, going close to him, smile at him and that just tell him that say minia ne abenyina no yemfa ngu nchan na yenhwe the way forward na okwan ebefa so ebetim de aboa party na party na gina na so ye. You couldn't do this. Instead no osi nipa afum u gina MPP anamu na obi biara party na afum ni bia na opachew. You are not the leader. You are not the leader of the party. Currently you are not the leader of the party. Niam nsema waka ede etia party no nsema wakade etia Dr. Baumia nsema okan ya ekotia yen e wo 2024 election just ended election no e wasenka wugina wona wakase me nsema me kan yen nyina no entwa ye nti o man Ghana momfa ncheme NPP for momfa ncheme ensi bio. This is how we talk, to touch heart of others, to touch the heart of others. But don't even far obi member from say we jina party na nemu apa obi acho. You are not a unifier. You are not. You are not a unifier, bia. And then also because I will say on behalf of the party no one friend obi biara wa suspend no ene ne awafi party ni nyina one friend one on famra uko keka ekobobo nkrofo din afoko ne Alan, nobody sacked Alan. Ono ankasa anu fi mu koya. Alan is not a man. He is not a leader. Alan is not a leader. He has never been a leader. Because this is the second time I wire side no. And when on there, on for the name Jane Mugase. Na glory ne ba, would we name ba jibi. She 2007 after election, internal primaries, and a few mukoye. Mukoye na and I was by Penny to say the mini and canon, Penny for Casse, ma one frail back, ma one Joe back, so ba ma one Joe. We ain't see and I will be foul. Shall the outside the party in view? We were fumu a quack of form a party or movement. Now, who benefiting wine? Ya she said that. Ye here who support you.
Most NPP yet. NDC 4 year campaign against this. Ya my to a month for NPP 4 what to 2 way more to 2 way more. Nefe de banidena. Ye are buying buffo from Abba. The first way welcoming news says somebody my and he says some to tariff. Now then they can't say NDC 4 no. One basse what drain Ghana 4 no. What year propaganda just to make NPP party ni bad look bad. Senebe wenya akwanye aba ebinya to me nyese ebia obeye bibi papa bi ama Ghana. Me ko we party na what chair na minua me can request say min jina ha nka say sa pad na what chair na eya de boni never a good thing. Party bi bia NPP background na say eye we are yen to aso bibi biara eye free a ebe boama nipa wen enhu ehia ne kakra no me support it
ahia ne kakra
no sorry me dey me tree no me nia afache me ahia ne kakra no me nia me support it. Free education was perfect idea nemom esenem say what teacher no yisika work of say okoto efi amanone anakoto efi individual party members for bi won se na bia won sika begu won botoma eno de enye say sika na ebetimi edi esi factory bi adon so bet